cup holders? Come into the station. That looks like the Sunol train station, Niles Canyon.
Is that all station?
Mm-mm.
What station is it? I'm good. What? Oh yeah.
We're at the depot. Seeing if anybody wants
Capital Quarter, this is the Capital Quarter, 743 heading to San Jose. This is the San Jose train.
We're not going to San Jose.
Where are we going?
To California. I'm Santa Cruz.
One more time, heading to San Jose train. This will be the last call for Suzuki.
We're not in San Jose. We're in San Jose. More and more and more people.
All aboard.
Say all aboard when you stop. What was that sound?
Let's not do it again. Please. Okay, here we go.
What was that? All aboard. We pick up more people. Where are they?
You're on different train cars.
What did I think we did.
Next station stop is Martinez. Martinez is next.
It took off real fast.
Where are you flying to?
California. Look at contract.
Oh yeah.
That contract. Very. And metal train. And metal train. How else did you go up? They owned another plane.
Huh? What? I'm videoing. I don't have film. Inoki.